Stoot is 'n baie persoonlike ding. Ons almal stoot op ons eie manier. Maar as daar een ding is wat almal haat, wat stoot, is dit 'n gechiri-chiri. Dis hoekom ek van die stoot hou. Ek beweeg lekker vinnig. Niks van jou game word weggegee nie. Hy billetjies rol en dan laai jy hom swaar. Maak hy nog steeds nie chiri-chiri nie. Hy maak net nyam lekker. Proster tokorambrindo stond dan dagay am. Alle warium tondan. Tasting station if on the food you can see the people are highly impressed. The second one is the Russian. It's called the Putin sausages. This is what a Russian must taste like. The highlight of these Russians, you don't have to cook them in oil. It's now $88 a barrel. These Russians just have to cook in water. Putin's sausages. Oh, love it. Maar dis hier nog enetjie. Vul hom op. Econo Foods. We freeze the prices. Put a smile on your face. True story.
Mevrouw licensie.
Nee, licensie vir 'n licensie.